All the three big Khans of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, Aamir Khan and Salman Khan have booked their slots individually this time. We will see Shah Rukh Khan's Bandhua in Christmas, Aamir's Thug of Hindustan will be coming in Diwali, and although Salman Khan's Tiger Zinda Hai doesn't have a release date yet, we know it's going to be Eid. Eid has been Salman's favorite slot for release. Even Sultan was released during the Eid holidays. In 2018, however, we will see the three big Khans getting their fair share on the box office equally, not competing with each other directly. They have enjoyed a virtual monopoly for decades now, but 2018 is surely going to be a big year for all three of them. Who will win? Whose film will create the biggest waves now that all three can work their magic without worrying about the others? We will keep you covered. Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival which is celebrated with dhoom dham at Salman Khan's residence. With colleagues, close friends and relatives joining in, Ganesh Chaturthi turns into for a grand celebration for the Khandan. But this year, it isn't the same for the star. The reason? Salman, who makes headlines for his dance at the Ganpati Visarjan every year, will have to give it a miss. While Lord Ganesha idol has already arrived at the star's residence, Salman is away in Manali to film Tube Light. Yes, Ashley Rebello took to Instagram to share the photo of Ganpati at Khan's residence. He shared the photo with the message that read #Ganpati Bappa at Khan House, #faith, #love, #hope, and missing Ganpati this time cause in Manali with Salman. Although Sultan was missing, but his residence fell none less than night sky with shining stars. Seems like the whole Bollywood family arrived to receive Papa's blessing. Oh my god, Salman Khan would not be a part of the Ganesh festival celebrations which are so much part of his family. Yes, the actor would be going to Manali to shoot for his upcoming Tube Light. Didn't we tell you that the second leg of Tube Light was to be in Kashmir and it got delayed due to unrest in the valley? Well, much as Kabir Khan, the director of Tube Light, would have wanted Kashmir on his flick, it is now going to be Manali calling for the team. Since there was already a delay of 15 days, Kabir had to call for an instant shoot and Bhai had to straight go from his Dubai landing for the shoot. Meaning Salman would not be celebrating Ganpati but he is worshipping a god of another kind, his work. So we respect that, but we sure would miss Salman's energy during the celebrations at home. We do know that Salman Khan invited Hollywood actor Will Smith to his farmhouse and also had a lot of fun with celebrities in South Bombay. However, strangely, we did not see any pictures of them together. Yes, when the dudes meet, it is something that fans would love to treasure forever, and why not in pictures? The best way to get access to stars' pictures is through social media, but fans were disappointed as they never got to see any pictures of Salman partying with Will Smith. Salman himself, a very private person at times, might not be wanting anyone to speculate that there is something coming up with Will Smith and so did not share the time spent with him. Or it could also be plainly because Bhai is not a very media savvy kind. Whatever the case is, we can only say that right now we have nothing to share about the meeting between the two studs. Excitement for Salman Khan and Kabir Khan's third and upcoming collaboration has been on the rise ever since the film was announced. Banking on the huge success of their previous collaborations, Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, the crew, fans and critics are especially looking forward for what the film has to offer. Tube Light will be set on the backdrop of the Sino-Indian War of 1962, a cross-border love story apparently. Salman will be seen romancing Chinese beauty Zuzu, who has recently created major buzz when we saw her hot and bold scenes from a bed affair too. The first phase of the shoot was completed in Ladakh, but due to rising tensions in the valley, the team had to relocate to Manali. Salman arrived in Manali just recently and was greeted with a huge crowd. Sallu Bhai's fame is of course spread all over. He was greeted with bouquets and warm wishes by the authorities and can be seen in a Kullu cap, somehow managing to look smashing even in that. Seriously, how does he do it? Salman Khan is shooting for Tubelight finally. The much awaited Salman Khan Kabir Khan collaboration is finally in the making, and the level of buzz it has already created is beyond belief. Salman has mingled nicely with the crowd in Manali. He received a heartwarming welcome when he arrived. On the set, Salman is fun. He eats with the rest of the crew and jokes around with everyone. He then goes to his vanity van to prepare for his role and indulge in his character. Salman has been lately seen sporting a French beard and a tough guy look. But the news from the sets is that he has completely changed that for Tubelight. One moment he was seen in his normal look, he then goes inside his vanity, and moments later, voila! Salman emerges in a complete chocolate boy romantic look. Clean shaven, of course. How does he do it? Seriously, how? Anyway, we are most excited about the film along with all of you, and we'll keep telling you more about Salman and Tubelight, so stay tuned. Being Human is Salman Khan's foundation that does a lot of things, from education and healthcare for the underprivileged members of the society to training differently able people with marketable skills. But there is something else that Being Human also does: treating its employees well. Ziggy Homes, a website that talks about interior designing, posted a few pictures of how the interiors of Being Human look like. Breathtaking, beautiful, that's how. The reception area is spacious and filled with artistic textures, with a waiting area that is in a different color to contrast with the rest of the space. How creative! The wall opposite the waiting area has some values imprinted on it in an artful way. Values like caring, passion and safety, values that Being Human holds dear. The working area is full of high-end computers and an elegant design. What an artistic way to keep the staff happy and pleased. Oh, by the way, the colors and the designs are patented. Salman Khan always steals the show wherever he goes. But can we really blame him? He's always in the limelight, and for good reasons too. A. He's a mega star of Bollywood. B. Because we love him. Salman is finally in Manali right now. Hopefully, he has already started working scenes for Tubelight. We have waited so long for this film, and the schedule was disrupted lately as the cast and crew had to relocate to Manali. A source tells us that they were supposed to be shooting these scenes way back in August. But no matter, we can't wait, we know it's going to be great. On that note, check out these pictures of Salman in a Kullu cap. We already said he steals the show wherever he goes. Fans are going bananas about how cute he looks in the Kullu cap. And the locals of Manali couldn't have been happier to have him. A source also shared some pictures that may be locations of where the film would be shot. Check them out. Salman Khan is out with his new look in Tubelight, and it is reminiscent of his look in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. In fact, it also reminds us of Shah Rukh Khan and Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Obviously, depicting a simple man look, Salman has already won his way into the hearts of the masses. And with this look, it is gonna be easier for him. Said to be a take from an English movie, the storyline slightly differs. However, we would love to see Sallu in a new light for sure. The name suggests Salman is Tubelight, and he may be slow in reception of data. All the same, now Salman is busy shooting for the flick, missing out on all the fun at home for Ganesh Chaturthi. Salman's family brings Lord Ganesha home, and it is a family affair, but shooting for Tubelight took priority, and Bhai is out shooting. We dig his look. What about you? Salman Khan recently landed in Manali for the shoot of his next film Tubelight, and fresh pictures are being shared by loyal fans from the hilly region. He was snapped sporting the traditional Himachal cap when he was welcomed in the area. Later, he was spotted being surrounded by the locals as he was dressed in a checked shirt with a sweater over it. This seems to be the final look for Salman's character, as he was later seen in another similar outfit during the shoot. With a simple attire and a simple hairstyle, Salman looked really innocent roaming around the sets of the film with Ayush Sharma. Incidentally, Salman's look will remind you of his characters in his recent films Sultan and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, where he was also dressed in similar sweaters for certain scenes. Tube Light is slated to release during the festival of Eid next year, and the film also stars Sohail Khan and Chinese star Zuzu. Salman Khan is known for his fan following both offline and online. A film promoted by Salman Bhai himself creates a lot more buzz than it would on its own. Take Akshay Kumar's Rustom for example. Salman promoted it and we saw what happened. Salman's fan following made a huge difference for Rustom at the box office, and Akshay sure was glad. But this time it seems that it will be Ajay Devgan who will get to ride the Salman Khan hype train. Ajay's film Shivai is set to hit the theatres in October, and Ajay is betting huge on its success. Ajay is not a social media savvy. We rarely see him interact with fans on Twitter and the like. But recently we saw his tweet praising the title of Salman's upcoming film Tube Light. Is that Ajay trying to get Salman Bhai's attention? Maybe to get him to promote Shivai too, like he did with Rustom. Will Salman do it? We shall find out. Looks like mother-to-be Kareena Kapoor is getting all of her needs taken care of and all of her wishes answered. Father-to-be Saif Ali Khan is leaving no stone unturned in making sure that Kareena remains healthy and happy. Only recently, Saif took Kareena out on a shopping spree in London and also accompanied her to her shoots. And now, Saif took her out on a romantic dinner date. How adorable! We can see how cute they look together with the chef of the restaurant in these pictures shared by fans. Saif looks dashing as always in his blue t-shirt and denims color coordinated. And Bebo matches style with him in her blue maxi dress. Saif and Kareena announced the news in July and are expecting their first child in December this year. Fans are of course excited and happy for the couple. Best wishes to them both. After Ajay Devgan posted the notorious audio clip on his Twitter account, everyone has been at an uproar. Ajay was clearly trying to demean KRK strongly this time and for good reasons. KRK clearly admits in the audio that he had taken 25 lakh rupees from Karan Johar to badmouth Ajay's upcoming ambitious film Shivai. Kajol too reacted to the situation by sharing the tweet with a bold caption that said, "Shocked." And of course, all of this was followed by the mindless rant that KRK went into to defend himself. Defend or justify? We are not sure what he was trying to do, frankly. But the key person to do this controversy was Karan Johar, who chose to ignore this controversy completely. We had saw no comments from Karan on his Twitter account regarding this, and when he was asked about this at the press conference held shortly after the scandal, he said, "My self-respect, reputation, company reputation and my upbringing doesn't allow me to dignify this question with a response." Well, Kajol is very happy that her husband Ajay Devgan's Shivai has had a blockbuster of a trailer. Yes, there have been more than 300,000 likes and Kajol is a happy wife indeed. Didn't we tell you just yesterday that Kajol was very shocked when she saw her husband's share of a video wherein Kamal R. Khan alleged that Karan Johar paid Rs 25 lakhs to him for lauding "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil" and bad-mouthing Shivai. This created quite a flutter and Kajol had expressed shock at this. In fact, Ajay Devgan also plans to take action against Kajol, but that is yesterday. Today, with these many likes, perhaps Ajay and Kajol would surely have a reason to smile and do not have to worry. Meanwhile, the fact that the flick Shivai is being discussed thus is sure publicity and would do Kajol and Ajay good for sure. The Ajay Devgan KRK controversy is growing by leaps and bounds. A few days ago, Ajay had posted a link on his Twitter account that had an audio clip with Kamal R. Khan admitting to take 25 lakh rupees from Karan Johar to badmouth Shivai, Ajay's upcoming movie. After being lashed out by fans of Ajay on Twitter and by Ajay Devgan himself, KRK held a press conference in light of all this and admitted there that charging money to promote films is his business model. That he was being scapegoated in the entire situation and that Ajay should fight it out with Karan Johar like a man. Oof! Enough of KRK, seriously. After this mindless attempt at coming clean was out, it was Ajay's turn to respond. Well, he said, and we quote, "He has not denied that it was his voice in the recording, and he is now making excuses and contradicting himself. Where is the sanity here? You have heard what I have heard. It is up to you all to decide. It's his words against his own word. I have never in my life spoken to nor met this man." Well, we'll be doing that with the video now too. Ranbir kills it with his look that we all love. You know, the one from Rockstar, the singer look? Although we must say that this singer is very different than what we saw in Rockstar. The singer is charming and emotional and romantic, but also kind of sad in a way. Anushka looks stunning and different too. But of course, all eyes were on Aishwarya. This is her look where she really looks cool. Seriously cool. And sexy as well. Her eyes are as seductive as they have ever been. This is one movie that we are surely not going to miss. What about you guys? Shivai's song Aag Bahe Teri Raah Mein is a whammer and is to be released on September 11. So why is it a whammer? Cause the trailer of the flick is a super action-packed thriller and we expect the song too to be as good. With Mithun of Ashiki 2 behind the song, we know for sure it is going to be a super hit. As for Ajay, who is also busy with the release of a lyrical video Gajanan, he sure would be happy to see the response it gets. Especially after the controversy last week regarding Karan Johar having paid Rs 25 lakhs to badmouth Shivai as per Kamal R. Khan's confession. We sure don't dig all this displeasure, especially when stalwarts like Ajay and Kejo are involved. Anyway, all that is past, now enjoy this Aag Bahe Teri Raah Mein song. So here is Ajay Devgan's lyrical video single Gajanan, which will release when Ajay visits Lal Bagcha Raja. Yes, this is a take on the Lord of Wisdom, Ganpati, and is being released at the apt time of Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra. The first look of the video is a whammer with so much energy and zest in the song. For all those who have heard it, it is sure a must-see and must-hear. For Ajay Devgan fans, it is a double dhamaka, for with his upcoming release of Shivai, here is a new look of the star in a traditional way. For it is not always about films that make news, Ajay also has featured in such stuff which endears him more to the fans. For those who saw it and for those who are waiting for Shivai, this is a perfect way to make a beginning. Bigg Boss 10, the show to be hosted by Salman Khan, is just round the corner. Yes, didn't we dig Salman's astronaut promo for the reality show? And now this time we are going to see a Bigg Boss mein Maha twist. Yes, there are going to be commoners as a part of the show. The celebrities rumored to be taking part are Raj Mahajan, Nakshatra Bagwe, Arman Jain, Radhima, Rahul Raj Singh, Sunil Grover and Shiny Ahuja. The common man would be a mix of corporate and the working class. With Salman Khan as the anchor, he is a living representation of hard work, for he is out there in Manali shooting, missing even the Ganpati celebrations back at home. All Bigg Boss contestants better watch out, as he would never take an excuse lying down. Last year, Bigg Boss never reached its TRPs. We expect it to change this year with this twist and of course our own Salman Khan. The hype for Tubelight is real, very real. Almost anything about the film is becoming news, and that too for good reasons. As we have informed our viewers multiple times, this is the third collaboration of the Jodi that has delivered some of the highest grossing films of all the time. The Jodi we are talking about is of course Salman Khan and Kabir Khan as the director. Fans are super excited to learn whatever they can about this Salman Khan starrer. Kabir Khan had posted on Instagram a glimpse of how our favorite superstar Salman is going to look in Tubelight. The photo showed Salman with mountains in the background, but since it was Salman's back we were looking at, we couldn't deduce much at the time. But now we see how he looks like. New photos are out and Salman, as always, looks dashing, this time in a simple and elegant style. He can be seen wearing a checked shirt with a brown sweater and a clean-shaven face. Simple and elegant, didn't we mention? The film hits theatres Eid next year. So the Shivai trailer won hands down over the Ae Dil Hai Mushkil teaser, thus resting all the hoopla over the Ajay Devgan flick. We did tell you that Ajay Devgan was quite upset along with Kajol over KRK's statement that Karan Johar paid rupees 25 lakhs to badmouth Shivai and say good for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. But all that is past, for it is Shivai all the way for fans since the release of the trailer, as most of them have given a thumbs up for Shivai. Ajay's booming voice in the background makes the trailer equally airy and thought-provoking. The teaser of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil also created ripples, but only till the trailer of Shivai was launched. Obviously, the public goes more for action, thrill, adventure and muscled bodies. Meanwhile, we wait for the launch of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil to have a perfect conclusion on this clash. Freaky Ali, Sohail Khan's upcoming flick, is up for a release and the entire team was seen freaking out at the Kapil Sharma show. Yes, for all those who like to watch this comedy act, they would surely be treated to the best of the freaking kind on this show. Yes, so come watch the team in action on Kapil's show. The entire team is really out to prove that Freaky Ali is not just a film, but about a lot more of zest and energy that is a part of all films remotely related to Salman. Salman's brother Arbaz is a part of the flick, and with Sohail in the directorial place, things look good for the flick. The unthought of combination of Nawazuddin Siddiqui with Amy Jackson is the interest quotient in the movie, and now it is all about masala, fun and mazak. Watch the Kapil Sharma show for a glimpse of how people can unwind. Didn't we share with you the very popular Kala Chashma song from Karan Johar's upcoming flick Kala Chashma? Well, get it from us that the song has crossed a whopping 70 million. Can you beat that? Only goes to show how popular the lead stars are. Yes, if it is Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina Kaif, what else do you expect from the Ek villain and Chikni Chameli of Bollywood? As for those who have never experienced the Kala Chashma fever, go right there in the Bar Bar Dekho ambience and enjoy this hit 90s song which has been recreated by Badshah. Prem Hardeep's 90s song wouldn't have been any better than this, which has been sung by Badshah himself and also has Amar Arshi and Neha Kakkar. In fact, Indeep Bakshi has also pitched in. Check out the song again and relive the Kala Chashma moves and moments which has become a statement now.